Today I want to talk about debt. There's a lot of wisdom in the saying that the debtor is slave to the lender. I'm not necessarily talking about good debt, because there is good debt, but mainly there's a lot of bad debt out there. So a good debt might be something that produces your money, say some kind of property or business that is producing an income for you. That's not what we're talking about here. I'm talking about bad debt. Bad debt, or some people, could refer to it as consumer debt. That is just something that weighs down on you. And truly, you're just paying interest for something that you wanted to receive self-gratification for right away. Maybe it's credit cards, maybe it's loans that are not really serving a purpose for you. And when you think about financial institutions in general, when you walk into a bank, the first thing they try to offer you is to open an account, maybe apply for a credit card or some kind of loan, whether it's for a car or any other type of loan, maybe student loans. These don't necessarily serve a great purpose for you. However, that's the business of the banks. They're in business to create debt for you so that you owe them money. And if you've ever noticed on your statements, if you do have credit card bills, they send you a minimum payment. Sometimes it's very low and affordable, but that minimum payment is designed to keep you in debt for a longer time. So let's say you have a certain balance, and say your minimum payment for that month happens to be $50. Well, if you send them the minimum payment enough for sufficient months, then in the following months, they're going to send you a minimum payment that's slightly lower, right? So instead of $50, your minimum payment might be only $41. And that's just the banks striving to keep you in debt for a longer time, because the longer you're in debt, the more months of interest the lender is going to accumulate. So if you want to find out strategies that maybe the banks don't want you to know about on how to get out of debt, you can reach out to me, message me, we'll talk. Have a great day.